Would that wood would speak. Would speak of the wonders it has seen. Would speak of the journey through the ages, from nut to mighty tree. Would from shorter trees tell a different tale than those of their giant friends. Would in hedges who spent their life holding the line and sporting a perfect crew cut tell of victory over the wind. Would tell of the woodpecker angrily, or would tell stories of the children it has protected. Would forgive me for carving its friends up into different items. Would hate us for burning his friends for warmth. Would understand that from the time we climbed in him till now he has protected us. Would understand that the life and death of wood is important for the world around him. Would understand that there is more in the world than his forest. Would mourn all the fallen friends around him. Would understand the concept of time. Would understand that without him we would be nothing. Would understand that humans have forgotten the power and majesty of wood. Would understand that I dare not wish would speak. For I am ashamed of how we treat our forests.